Yeah, my boy Greg here.
Not everybody. So tonight, what I decided to do is I'm going to do a quick a cappella rendition of "It Will Rain" by Bruno Mars. I know a lot of people like that song, so hopefully my rendition goes over well. So tell me what you think. I'll put this up on. It should be up on YouTube sometime soon, and I hope you guys like it. If you ever leave me, baby, leave some feet in the door. 'Cause it would take a whole lot of dedication to realize what we used to have. We don't have it anymore. There's no religion that can save it. No matter how the humanities are on the floor. Oh, so keep in mind all the sacrifices I've made, yeah, to keep you by my side and keep me from walking out the door. 'Cause there'll be no sunshine if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, 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 yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'll never be your mother's favorite. Daddy don't even look me in the eyes. Ooh, 'cause in my mind I'm thinking how we doing the same thing. Saying there goes my little girl, walking with that troublesome guy. But they're just afraid of something they can't understand. Ooh, but little mama watch me change in my eyes. Don't you know what I try. Oh, because these broken pieces still updated, but that'll make it right. 'Cause there'll be no sunshine if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, I will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, rain, rain. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, don't you say you're back. Don't you say goodbye. I'm begging this long and days are still updated, but that'll make it right. 'Cause there'll be no sunshine if I lose you, baby. There'll be no blue skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, I will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, rain, rain. Okay, so that's my idea of how I'm supposed to do it. Acapella. Not necessarily the best way to do it, so I hope you guys like it. Feel free to leave whatever comments.
What he said?